If you really want to be a profitable forex trader, then you have to subscribe to this channel, because I have a mission of producing the greatest forex traders in the world. Not only are you going to learn how to trade the forex market from this channel, you will also learn different stream of income where you can make money online. So please stay tuned, subscribe to this channel for more updated educative content like the ones that I usually give you. So before I start, I want to say something. If you watch clearly, you see that I have a green background, right? I have a green background. So I don't know whether if you like the green background, if you like it. If you don't, please tell me so that I can change the background, right? I just decided to use the green background because I felt like using it. But I don't know your opinions. I don't know whether if the green background is distracting you from the lesson. If not, if you love the background and you want me to continue using it, please, you can indicate that in the comment section. But if you don't like the green background and you want me to remove it, state it in the comment section and tell me why you don't like it so that I can remove it. I decided to use the green background because I think I love it. But if you don't like it, please let me know. Okay, so back to business. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you more in-depth analysis on price action. So we are going to be looking at support and resistance level. I have discussed this strategy before, but this time around I want to make it simple as it is. I don't want any complex issue. I don't want anything complex. I want it to look simple so that even a beginner, someone that is starting today, will understand how to use the support and resistance level. Support and resistance level are areas. They are areas in a price chart where price could not break through. Whenever price gets to that area, it reverses, unable to break through. So what is a resistance level? Resistance level is when an uptrend, right, comes to an end. The point where that uptrend reverses becomes a resistance level, while a support level is in a downtrend where a downtrend could not break below and reverses. That place that the downtrend reverses becomes a support level. Remember that the market always moves in cycle, like I said in my previous video. So as the market moves, it drops swing points. So these swing points are what forms the support and resistance level, right? So like I said, if a market is heading up, right, it's going up, that point where the market reverse and start heading down, that point is what we call the resistance level. And if the market is going down, right, and then reverse and start heading up, that point where the market reverse from and start heading up is called the support level. So this is how you identify support and resistance level. Now we have strong support level and we have the minor support level. We also have strong resistance level and we also have the minor resistance level. So what is a strong resistance level? A strong resistance level is where a price could not break through it 3 times and above or 2 times and above. It becomes a strong resistance level, right? The same thing applicable to the support level, where a price could not break through the support level 2 times and above. It becomes a strong support level, right? So in this video, I am going to show you how you can easily identify support and resistance level so that you can be able to trade them profitably. Like I said, this video is going to be very simple so that everyone will understand it. Some people make forex trading complex, but I want to make it simple so that everyone will understand what I'm talking about. So now what I will do right now is that I'm going to share an example with you, and after which we'll go into the live market and then look at support and resistance level, so that if you are trading or if you want to start trading today, you can easily identify these levels in the market. So now let me give you an example of how this support and resistance level looks like. Now look clearly on this chart, right? You understand what I'm talking about. I told you that a resistance and support level are price area where a price cannot break through, right? So now if you watch the market here, it was previously in an uptrend, right? Now it gets to this point and then reverse. So like I said, the point where price reverses becomes a resistance level if the price is heading up, right? That point where price reverses becomes a resistance level. And then if the price reverse and start heading down, that place where the downtrend reverses becomes a support level. So look clearly now, you see that the price was heading up, right? And then got to this point and reverse. So this point now becomes a resistance level, and then price started heading down. So then the price got to this point, right? And then reverse and start heading up. So this point where the price reverses becomes a support level. So take note of that, right? But I will advise you that whenever you are trading using a support and resistance level, please, I will advise you to use the higher time frame, because the higher time frame gives more reliable signal than the lower time frame. So what do I mean by higher time frame? What I'm talking about is the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and at least the 1-hour time frame. So anything that is out of this time frame that I've mentioned is not really a strong level. So if you're looking at support and resistance level at the 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, or 5-minute time frame, I don't really think these are strong support or resistance level. So but if you want to get the strong support or resistance level, then you should look at the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frame, right? So like I said again, a resistance level is when an uptrend reverses. That point where an uptrend reverses becomes a resistance level, and a support level is when a downtrend reverses. That point where a downtrend reverses becomes a support level, right? Now what happens if the level is broken? If a resistance level is broken, the resistance level automatically becomes a support level, right? And if a support level is broken, the support level automatically becomes a resistance level, because when a market breaks a support or resistance level, it tends to come back to retest that level, and after retesting that level, it continues going up or going down. So now, like I said before, the market was in an uptrend, right, going up, and then got to this point, this level, and then reverse. So this level becomes a resistance level. So what do? You simply plot your horizontal line and mark the resistance level. Then the price now start heading down and then got to this level and reverse again. So this level where the price reverse becomes a support level. So you plot your horizontal line and then mark this support level, right? So now what are you doing? You are waiting for the price to come back again to this resistance level so that you can take your sell trade, right? So when price gets to this resistance level, you simply place your sell trade, then put your stop loss above here. Then where are you going to take your profit? You are taking your profit at a support level, right? So when the price now comes back to the support level, you take your profit, right, and then place another buy trade. But this one happens during a range, when the price is oscillating within a range or a channel, right, where you can easily identify the resistance level and the support level. So that is how you can trade this type. Like if you check clearly, the market was in an uptrend and then got to this point and started making a range, started consolidating within a range. So you can use your horizontal line to draw the upper range and the lower range. So the upper range becomes your resistance level, then the lower range becomes your support level. So you have to trade this range until the market breaks out, right? So like I said, you wait for the price to get to this resistance level to place your sell trade, and then you wait for price to get to this support level for you to place your buy trade. So these are what you should be doing until the price breaks above or below the level. So now you can see clearly that the price finally broke above the resistance level, right? Now once you identify that the price has broke above the resistance level, what did I say before? I say whenever price breaks above a resistance level, that resistance level tends to become support level. So your level is still valid, right? The level you are using is still valid, but this time around you are going to switch the levels. So now when the price breaks above the resistance level, where do you place your trade? You place your trade at the support. So what you have to do is you wait for price to come back to the support level and test it for you to place your trade. Some traders make the mistake of chasing the trend. Like I said, it is not advisable to chase the trend. You have to wait for the price to come to you. So once the price breaks above the resistance level, you have to wait for the price to come back to test this resistance level turn support. So when the price comes back here, you can now simply place your buy trade, right? For you to have the best confidence, right, to have the best confidence, you can also wait for a candlestick pattern, right? You can wait for a hammer, right? Because this is a bullish market. The market is going up, so you need to wait for a hammer, right? You need to wait for a hammer to form. So how does a hammer form? When the price starts retracing down, right, it might cross this level a little bit, right? Just like what happened here. Then suddenly the price now started making rejection and then ended up in the form of a hammer, right? That is a powerful confluence that the price is going up. So you can wait for the candlestick pattern for you to confirm that the price is actually going up, right? So remember what I said, you have to trade in the direction of the trend, right? Because you can clearly see that the trend is up, but the price got here and make a little range before the trend continues. So here and here becomes the support and resistance level of the range. Here is the resistance level and here is the support of the range. And when the trend breaks above the resistance level, you can now see this resistance level as a support for you to place your buy trade. Let me give you another example again. Now this is clearly a downtrend, right? This is clearly a downtrend, and like I told you, the point where price reverses becomes either support or resistance level. Like now, this is a downtrend, right? You can see clearly that this is a resistance level, right? Formerly it was a support level because price got to this level and then reversed up, right? And like I told you, in a downtrend, wherever price reverses from, that point where the price reverses from becomes a support level. So here is the downtrend, right? But the price got to this point and then reversed and started heading up. So this point now becomes a support level because price could not break through this level. Instead, it got to this level and reversed and started heading up. So the point becomes a support level, right? Now you have to wait again and see the price action, right? Now the price got to this point and then came down here, right, and then broke this level, right? Because this is clearly a downtrend. And like I told you in my previous video, in a downtrend you are meant to trade only in the direction of the trend. So this is clearly a downtrend. If you watch clearly, you see that this is a downtrend. So when the price got to this level, then reverse, telling you that this is a support level, right? This is an area of value. So what you do is that you wait for the price action, right? Then the price now got to this level and then broke it. First, it came here, made a little rejection, right? For me to let you know that whenever price comes to an area of value, it must react, right? It must react. That is what you need to understand, because now the price got to this level, reverse, and started heading up. So this level now becomes a support level, right? So you can simply wait for the price to come here, right, for you to place your trade. So if you want to trade against the trend, you must play the game of a scalper, right? Because you are placing your trade and you are taking your profit immediately, knowing fully well that the movement of retracement is not that too long, right? So if you want to trade against the trend, you must have the mindset of a scalper. You have to place trade and take profit immediately. Don't say you want to wait, right? Because you don't know where the trend will reverse, because clearly the market is in a downtrend and what you saw was just a retracement. So now this is for scalpers, right? So for day traders and swing traders, you can trade in the direction of the trend. But for scalper, those that want to catch profit as fast as possible, knowing fully well that when the price gets to a support level, it will react. So even if it reacts 20 pips or 30 pips, it's still something for scalpers. Even if it's 10 pips, it's still something for scalpers, because they know that whenever price gets to support level, it will definitely react. So now you have placed your horizontal line to tell you that this is a support level, right? And the price comes back again to this support level, right? You place your buy trade and then put your stop loss below here. You know that this is a downtrend, so you want to catch the little move that the market can make in like the retracement. So once you place your buy trade and put your stop loss below here, the price move up, right? Makes this rejection and then head up. So you can simply take your profit once it moves maybe 10, 20 or 30 pips. As a scalper, you take your profit immediately, because if you waste time, because for the fact that the price is clearly in a downtrend, it can just go up a little and then the downtrend continues. That is why I say you should always trade in the direction of the trend. But if you want to trade against the trend, please make sure that you have the mindset of a scalper. What do I mean by having the mindset of a scalper? You place your trade and take your profit immediately before the trend reverses against you. So that is what I mean. So finally, the price broke below the support level, right? So what happens when price breaks below support level? That support level tends to become resistance level. So what happened? The price now rallied down, right? Came here and formed a new support level. Like I said, any point where the price reverses, that point becomes a support level. If the price is in a downtrend, the point where that price reverses from, that point becomes a support level. So the price now got to this point and then reversed again. So this point now becomes a support level. So like I told you, whenever the market is in a downtrend, always follow the trend. Whenever the market is in a downtrend, always follow the trend, right? If the market is in a downtrend, you should be looking at resistance. Forget about support, because in a downtrend, the market tends to break the support level consistently. That is why you have to trade in the direction of the trend. But if the market is ranging, right? If the market is in a range, then that is when you can trade the support and resistance level, because in a ranging market, both buyers and sellers are exchanging price. They are in equilibrium, right? The buyers, they buy at support, while the sellers, they sell at resistance. So if you see that the market is clearly in a range, that is where you can buy at support and then sell at resistance. So if the market is trending down, you only sell, and if the market is going up, you only buy. But if the market is ranging, you can buy and sell. Do you understand the concept? If the market is trending up, you only buy. If the market is trending down, you only sell. But if the market is ranging, consolidating, you can buy and sell, right? So that is what I'm talking about. So here the market is clearly in a downtrend, right? So you have to only sell because the market is in a downtrend. So where do you sell? At resistance. Forget about the support. The support is telling you that this support will soon become a resistance. So wait for that support to become a resistance for you to take action. So this support that we just identify, I'm not advising you to trade this support. Wait for it to become a resistance, right? There's time when the support will be needed in a downtrend, right? So this support will soon become a resistance level. That is when you cannot trade, because the market is clearly in a downtrend. Understand? Cool. So now you can see that the price now got to this level, right, and then reverse, and this becomes a support level. So what do? You bring out your horizontal line and then map this level. So what happened? The price now went back to your previous support that now turned to resistance, right? And then you place your sell trade, because when the price broke this support level, you know fully well that whenever price breaks support level, that support level tends to become resistance level. So you now stay here and wait for the price to come back. You are waiting, say, come back, I'm waiting for you. You wait for the price to come back, because you know that definitely the price will come to test the previous support turn resistance. So when the price now comes here to test this support turn resistance, you can now place your sell trade, put your stop loss above here, and the trend continue going down, right? You see how it works. So when it goes down, it breaks again below this support, right? So when it breaks below this support, you know that this becomes an area of value, right? Because when a price breaks below support, that support becomes resistant. So what do you now do? You wait again for the price to make a retracement to this support, to this support turn resistance, for you to place your trade. So once the price rallied down, it gets to this point again and then reverse up. This point now becomes support level, and it becomes an area of value again. So now the price now went up again and tested this support turn resistance. What happened? You are here already waiting, because you know that when price breaks below support, it becomes resistance. So you come here and wait for the price to come. So once you notice that the price is approaching, you place your sell trade and put your stop loss above, right? And the price continue rallying down. So what happened? The price now rallied down and broke that previous support, right? Now once the price has broken the previous support, this support, you know that the price will definitely come back to test the support. So you wait. So you can now see that the price came back here, reverse, and then tested the support turn resistance, right, and then reverse back. So it broke a little above it and then continue heading down. Just like I told you in my previous video, that support and resistance level are areas. It's not just a line. Maybe because you draw this line and you think maybe just this line, this area, this is an area, from here this is an area. So this is where the price can reverse from. It doesn't mean that it's only this line that the price can reverse from, right? That is why they say support and resistance level are areas on a price chart, not just a single line. So once the price now got to this support level turn resistance, it tested it, right, and then continue heading down. So because you are already prepared, you know that when price breaks below support, it tends to test it before continue heading down. So you now place your sell trade somewhere here and put your stop loss above. So this is how you trade using the support and resistance level. So this is an example of how you trade the support level. Now this is another example of how you trade the resistance level, just almost the same with the support, just their opposite. Now you can clearly see that the market is in an uptrend, right? The market is going up, right? This is an uptrend, right? So now the market got to this point, right, and then make a reverse and made a retracement. So this point where the price reversed from becomes a resistance level, where this point where the price reversed from becomes a support level. So for the fact that the market is clearly in an uptrend, we are only looking at the support level. That is where we are to place our buy trade, not at the resistance level. So we ignore the resistance level and only look at the support level. You can clearly see that this is a resistance level, because this is when the highs of the price, right, and then the price make a retracement. So what you should be looking at is the lows during an uptrend. So this is the lows. You draw your horizontal line at the lows, knowing fully well that price will definitely come back to test the lows before the uptrend continues. So once the price is in an uptrend, right, and then got to this resistance level and then reverse, right, only to reverse from here. So this point where the price reverse becomes an area of value. It becomes a support level, right, because the price is clearly in an uptrend. So you are only looking at the support to buy. So this place becomes a support level. You draw your horizontal line and relax, and wait again for the price to come back to your level. Like I promise you, don't be desperate, don't be in a haste. You have to trade with passion, you have to trade with patience. So don't rush the trade, don't rush the market, wait for the market to come to you. So you can clearly see that the price is in an uptrend. So what do you now do? You wait for the price to come back to the support level. You wait for the price to come back to the support level, right? You must have patience, right? You must have patience. No matter the distance that the price traveled, it will definitely come back to test the support level. So you have already mapped out your support level and you are now waiting for the price to come back and test it. So this is where you confirm the support level and the price rallied up. This is where you confirm the support level, right? And the price went up, then came back here and tested your support level, right? And then went up again. So now that the price went up, it confirms to you that this support level is holding the price, right? So what do? You wait again for the price to make another retracement. So this is the retracement candle. So you can simply place your buy trade here and then your stop loss somewhere below here, and then you can now ride a trend, right? You can now see that the price went up, came down again and tested the support, went up again, came back again, tested the support, went up again, then came back here again and tested the support. So this is the pin bar that I'm talking about, the hammer. So when you see this pin bar, it means that the market is bullish, right? Because this double rejection here, the first rejection and the second rejection, and the uptrend continues, right? So if you truly want a higher confluence, you can wait for this pin bar, right? This pin bar will tell you that the market is going to go higher, right? So you can be able to wait patiently for this pin bar to form, or you can simply place your buy trade whenever the price gets to the support level. Remember, always trade in the direction of the trend. So as you can see clearly that the price is respecting the support level, and that is why I said in an uptrend you only trade at the support level, while in a downtrend you only trade at the resistance level. So like I said before, in a ranging market, both buyers and sellers can exchange price. So this is the example of the ranging market I'm talking about, right? This is the example of the ranging market I'm talking about. You can see this is the support level, this is the resistance level. So buyers are here waiting to take their buy trade, sellers are here waiting to take their sell trade. So whenever the price comes to this level, the buyers place their buy trade, and whenever price comes to this level, sellers take their sell trade. That is why I said in a ranging market, both the buyers and the sellers are in equilibrium. They are exchanging prices. So this is how the market works. The market goes in cycle. Sometimes it will be in an uptrend, sometimes it will be in a downtrend, and sometimes it will be in a range. And like I said, during a ranging market like this one you are seeing here, both the buyers and the sellers are in equilibrium. The buyers buy at support while the sellers sell at resistance. But when the price breaks above the resistance level and the uptrend starts, you only place buy trade because the buyers have won the battle, right? Because the buyers will keep pushing the price up and the price will break so many resistance levels. But if the price breaks below the support level and start heading down, that means the sellers have won the battle and the sellers are in charge, because the price will continue going down, breaking several support levels. So that is why when the price is in an uptrend, you only buy, and when the price is in a downtrend, you only sell. But when the price is ranging, you can buy and sell. This is how simple it is. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So now let's go to live market. Let me show you how you can easily plot these levels on the live market. Like I said, we're making use of trading view, right? We're making use of trading view. So that is what I normally use to analyze my market, trading view. So after analyzing my market using trading view, I can now come to my MT4, MT5 to place my trade. So we are making use of the Euro USD, right? And we're using the 4-hour time frame. So I want to show you how you can plot support and resistance level at the live market. This is a live market. right? This is the live market. So now first you look at the price action. What is the price telling you? The price is clearly in a downtrend. And what do I see? Whenever the price is in a downtrend, you only look to sell. You don't look to buy, because sellers are in charge. You only look to sell, right? You don't look to buy. So when you look clearly, you see that we are in a live market. So I'm trying to show you an example of how you can plot the support and resistance line in a live market. And if you see clearly, you can see that the market is in a downtrend and you are only meant to sell. Whenever the price is in a downtrend, you are only meant to sell. So where do you sell? At resistance level. So now this is how you can plot the resistance level. You go to the tools and there you pick it. This is the resistance line, the horizontal line. You pick the horizontal line and you look at the highs, right? You look at the highs. So where is the resistance level, right? Now you can see this is the resistance level. See the first, second, and the third, right? You go again, you pick where is another resistance level. This is another resistance level, right? So this is what we are talking about. You can see the support. This was the previous resistance level, right? Then this is the support, right? This is a resistance level, this is the support. So what happened? The price broke below the support level, and what happened? The support becomes resistance level, just like what I taught you guys. So this is a resistance level, right? This is where you place your sell trade, and then the price went down, came to this level and reversed. So this point becomes a support level, right? So what happened? The price now broke below the support level and then came back to test this support level, which automatically becomes the resistance level. So you see how the market works, and then the downtrend continues. Then you look for another support level. So I think we have another support level here, and this is it. This is another support level, right? You see how the market works. You see how the market works. So the price now does what? The price now came here and then tested this level, telling you that this is the support level, and then rally up, went back to test this resistance level, then came back again, and then what happened? It finally broke below the support level, right? Then what happened again? It came back to test the support level, which now becomes a resistance level, right? You can see it tested it once and tested it twice, and then the downtrend continues. So you can see how simple this is. If you can easily plot the support and resistance level, if you can easily identify them, man, you will be making money in the forex market. You will be making serious money in the forex market. So you see how easy and how simple this is. So look, let me give you another level again. So this is it. Are you seeing it now? You see another level again. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. This is another level. So the price now came to this support level, tested it, and then reversed up, came to this resistance level, tested it, and then what happened? The price broke below this support level. So when the price broke, what happened? It came back and tested this support level, now turned resistance level, and then the downtrend continues. So you can see that whatever I am teaching you guys is what I have back tested, is what I am using, and is what that is generating money for me. So that is why I want you guys to always back test these strategies in your demo account before you use it in your live account. Please do that, and you will forever thank yourself for doing it. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I've come to the end of this tutorial video. I can see that this is one of the longest video I've done since I created this channel. So I hope and believe you have learned one or two from this video. Please, if you love this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more educative content like this, and also don't forget to come back for more updates. You can share this video on your social media so that your friends will get to learn more about forex market. Also, don't forget to come back for more updates. I still remain my humble self, Austin Ikeru, and you guys are welcome to my channel, Ostino FS. I will see you again in my next update. Just like I said, if you don't like this green background behind me, please state it in the comment box, because if you don't, that means I will be using the green background. But if you don't like it, state it in the comment box. But if you like it, You can also state that too, because me, I love the green background. That was why I decided to use it, but I want to know your opinion. So ladies and gentlemen, I will see you again in my next update. Bye.